Opa.
Naomi-chan.
Crunch. Oh, look at the ripple go all along the...
It just drives into itself.
Look at the dust it kicked out from the front. It's like wafted all the dust away. Oh, look. The mirror, the million points, has gone flying.
You can see 1M written on it. Oh, what are the chances? Oh, close up.
Well, this is satisfying. Oh. Glad we got those metal there.
Get that
solid
tin-foil effect again on the hard metal.
Oh, look, the mirror hit the car and then flung out.
Popped out.
Yeah.
It was like a catapult. That's amazing.
So then it took off. How high did it even get? It must have been like an inch.
That's... I like that I'm leaning down to try and see under.
Yeah, I did the same thing. You
Wait, hold on. No, that's completely useless.
Idiots.